Hello everyone, it's Buck Weezer, Buck Small Engine DIY on YouTube. Welcome to another video where, as you know, we put the do into do it yourself. I welcome you to my birthday video. That's right, in today's video we're celebrating my birthday. And I want you to stay tuned to the very end because I have a birthday surprise for you. And you don't want to miss that. Of course, you could just jump ahead, right? Anyway, my wife said, what do you want for your birthday? And I said, I want to get a new seat for the Wheelhorse 520. And she liked that idea. Not that I need the occasion of a birthday to justify buying myself tractor stuff, right? But anyway, that's how we justified it. So we are replacing the seat on the Wheelhorse 520, and we're gonna have a good time with this. So let me talk to you about what we've got, what we had, and what we're gonna do. I've already removed the old seat, as you can see, and he's right here. He's not in great shape. It was just sat outside for too long. This was the seat cushion. I don't think that's original. It's pretty well rotted out. Now, this old seat had a mechanism by which you could slide the seat forward or backward, and I don't think I'm going to reuse that. It's not that important to me. But we did leave the old base, okay? You know, it's got that hydraulic arm. It's got springs underneath. I like this base. It's got these thick springs, which are very nice. And I think we'll still get a real nice ride just reusing that much of it. So here's what I got. This is the Country Line Ultra high back bucket seat, and its color is black. And I bought this. These products are sold at Tractor Supply Company, and you can see here that it was on clearance for $94.99, and then clearance for $47.99, and now you're starting to be talking to me. That's a lot. I was expecting to spend $100, so I'm happy to get it for about $50. Is it going to work? I don't know. We're going to have to make it work. So you're looking here at the box. There's so many different bolt patterns, and we've got to try to make this work with what we've got. So stepping back over here, I think I've measured this out, and what we've got is left to right we got 7.5 inches, back to front 8 inches. So I can see that we do have some bolts here that are at a 7.5 width. That should help. But front to back, 8 inches from here, I don't know. So we may have to get creative, and you know what? That's part of the fun, right? So let's open it up, take a look, and strategize our plan. Well, here it is. A lot of empty space in this box. I guess that's just how it is because of the contour of the shape of the seat. But it's just a seat. That's all I see. So let's put it up here and we'll take a closer look. It's breezy today, which may be a problem with the sound of our video, but we'll do our best. Alright, so this is pretty good. I think this would be very comfortable. I like the hole here so that if it does get rained on, water in it or whatever, it can drain through. Alright. Now here's the bottom. And so this is where we have to figure out how exactly are we going to mount this. And worst case scenario, and actually it might be a reasonably good option, is we can use some wood And well, we'll just have to see how it goes. Let's take some measurements. Well guys, if at first you don't succeed, keep on sucking till you do succeed. And my first idea did not succeed. I will spare you some of that footage. But my idea was I could just drill these holes out a little bit bigger and have enough play left or right to mount the seat directly to it. And then I realized this is way too hard for me to drill through. So we'll have to keep sucking until we do succeed. And plan B, I'm going to mount these boards here with the holes that we have, and then we will be able to mount the seat onto the boards. Okay, I think that is going to work. I had that idea in mind as a possibility. So when I get those boards bolted on there, I will then be able to secure the seat to those boards using this hole and then down here this hole and this hole. So this will be the front, and these will be at the back, and they're about 11 or 11 and a half inches apart this way. And I've made my boards 14 inches long, so that should work out pretty good for us. Mount them something like that. So let's get on with that. I think this is going to work. I hope. So these are my boards. 8 inches. It's pretty close. And we've got to get a recessed part where the nut can sit. A little more maybe. That's probably good. This guy maybe a touch more. All right. That's okay, I think. Now, and I'll show you what that's going to be like. So we'll be able to bolt this wood to the existing seat frame, and it looks about right. Don't want to take it any deeper than you have to. All right, that's good. All right, I'll do the same to the other board. Then we'll be able to mount them to the pivoting tractor seat thing bracket. All right, let's fasten these to the seat frame. So these are 5/16 bolts, 1.5 inches long. Okay, it's already in there. Need another lock washer. This one's a little harder to get your fingers on. I think we'll be okay.
Okay, and we got a 1/2 inch socket and wrench. Okay, one side, do the next, and then we'll plan out the seat. So I cut the back of the box, that template, out so we can align it here on our seat frame, and then mark out with a pen the holes where we're gonna secure the seat. So let's see how that looks. Okay, it's not rocket science, it never is. Or as I like to say, it's not socket science. Okay, so we've marked out our holes and we can drill these out. Not bad. Okay, now we get our hardware, we'll get our seat, and we're going to bolt it up at those spots. I made something of a judicial decision to mount the seat to the wood first. Of course, I got the bolts sticking through it. Just thought that might be a little bit easier. And the only thing I'm worried about is I don't want to tighten them too much. You know, because they're just thin metal sleeves pressed into this plastic. So we just want to snug them and not overdo it. Just like that. And then these are already coming through. Hopefully I'll still be able to tighten them okay. We'll see. Okay. All right. That's pretty good. Not bad. I'm just going to bolt it down and then we'll be good to go. Well, there we go. Now my initial thought seeing it here is that maybe I've mounted it a little bit too far forward, but actually I have to get in it and try it. Maybe very nice actually. This still pivots up okay. That looks all right to me. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Yeah, it's sitting up a little higher than before too. I like that. It actually feels pretty good. Feels very good. Feels very comfortable. Yeah, maybe an inch or two further back would have been good, and I can always adapt it later if I want. But I think that's pretty good. Yes, I do. So how'd I look in my new seat? Pretty nice, huh? Yeah, it's pretty comfortable. I like it. I think maybe I could have moved it back a little bit further. It's a little bit more forward than I like, but it's okay. And I could always do that. I could always come back and do that if I wanted to. So yeah, I feel pretty good about that. Didn't seem to be running perfectly, but there's always something, right? That's the fun of it. So thanks for joining me on the seat project. I hope it was of help to you, and maybe you inspired you to change out your seat for a little upgrade. It's always fun, and just treating myself on my birthday. All right, guys, so as promised, I have a surprise for you also. And I don't know, just using the occasion of my birthday to thank all of you for subscribing to my channel. We reached 30,000 subscribers recently. So I thank you for being part of that, for watching, for subscribing, for commenting, and helping me have fun with my tractors. So here's what I got. You ready? Look at that. Yeah, I got some stickers. Buck Small Engine DIY. Look at that guy. Look familiar? Look, even got the same hat. So I made these, got these made. I got a couple hundred of them. They're 3 inches by 4 inches. You could put them, use them as a bookmark. Put it on your fridge. I don't know, your bulletin board, or give it away. And anyway, this is yours, free of charge. All I need is your mailing address. So I thought, well, how am I going to do that? Most people don't want to put their mailing address in the YouTube comments. So all you need to do is send me an email, and my email address is very easy. It's bucksmallenginediy@gmail.com. So the name of my YouTube channel is also my email address. bucksmallenginediy@gmail.com. So no spaces, no apostrophe in Bucks, just Bucks Small Engine DIY, all run together, at gmail.com. I'm not going to use your address for anything except to send you one of these stickers. No charge. My gift to you is a thank you for watching my videos, for subscribing to my channel, and yeah, so look forward to hearing from you, and shortly thereafter you'll get one of these stickers. So that's it for today. Thank you for being part of this. Have a great weekend, and I will see you all on our next video. Bye-bye.